Hi everyone, this is Stephanie Thomas of the Sales Tax Sisters and Thomas and Thomas PC. All of you should know that by now, I'm hoping. Anyway, this is just a little promo for our upcoming construction class. It's all about sales and use tax as it relates to construction projects here in Texas. We talk about property types, contract types, entity types, resale, exemption, direct pay certificates, as well as taxable services, real property services. It's just a cornucopia of sales tax goodness and fun. So hopefully all of you can sign up. Class sizes are small, and the class date is on May the 13th, but we also have a couple more coming this year. I'd love to see you out. And when I say I love to see you out, we're going to be virtual. But the class sizes are small, so I'm going to see all your faces and hopefully be able to answer all of your questions. So please go to the link in the description box. You can sign up, learn more about what we're going to be talking about. And I hope to see all of your smiling faces for 4 hours of sales tax fun. But we take breaks, so don't be scared. If you are interested, you know what to do. And hopefully I'll see you. Bye.